Okay, this is Noble's demo. Go, Bubba.
Harder. Pull it down.
Let him hit it. Oh, buddy. Yeah!
Now pull this part down. Pull it down with your hands. Careful.
Let him whack another one.
Whack the other one.
Patience, watch out.
Whack the bottom of it.
What?
Whack the bottom of it. Bottom.
What? This part?
Yep. Okay, look out, jump off.
Noble, make a man face.
Hit that thing hard.
Hit it
Hold
hard.
farther back on the hammer. Hold farther back on the hammer. Just hit it really hard.
Patience just ran in and told Justice, "They're ruining our stuff." Noble. Easy.
Turn this side.
Easy.
And now you can hit these sides off.
Watch out, Henry.
Watch out.
Good job. Hit it. Hit it hard.
Get your anger out, buddy.
Hit it hard.
Yeah, buddy.
You don't hurt, Bubba. Is that hard for you to do, Bubba? Oh.
Hit this side up. Wham.
Good going, buddy. That was easy.
Hit right where the screws are.
Screws?
Hit right where the screws are.
Right here?
No,
Get on the bottom. Get on the
hit right
bottom.
there. There you go. Now hit the middle things out. No, you can leave them. These right here.
Watch out. Go the other way, Patience. Run away, Patience.
Hit it hard. You hold back here. You hold back here. Hold farther back. And you can swing it harder.
I'm Daddy. Put in my hand. No, this is mine now.
There you go. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. Keep it and swing it. Hit the other one. Hit it.
Avenly, watch out, honey.
There you go. Yeah.
I'll hit this down.
Yeah.
I'll put it up.
No, don't put a dent in the wall.
This is mine. Mine.
That's yours? Or is that your souvenir for what's left of our entertainment center?
This is mine. Other little pieces.
Whoa! Like a lumberjack.
Other little ones are mine.
Whee! Now stand on it and flex for me, buddy.
Flex your muscles.
Flex your muscles. Yeah.